Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PostHog for no-code analytics step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the PostHog website URL. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, locate the Login button on the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. After both fields are filled, review the information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Login button below the fields. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts provided to reset your password. Once logged in, you will be taken to the PostHog dashboard. From here, you can begin utilizing PostHog's no-code analytics features. Explore the navigation menu on the left to access different tools and reports. Make sure to check out any tutorial resources available within the platform. This concludes the login process for accessing PostHog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.